سورة البروج.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
والسماء ذات البروج.
By the heaven holding the big stars.
واليوم الموعود.
And by the promised day.
وشاهد ومشهود.
And by the witnessing day, and by the witnessed day.
قتل أصحاب الأخدود.
Cursed were the people of the ditch.
النار ذات الوقود.
Of fire fed with fuel.
إذ هم عليها قعود.
When they sat by it.
وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود.
And they witnessed what they were doing against the believers.
وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد.
And they had no fault except that they believed in Allah, the Almighty, worthy of all praise.
الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد.
To whom belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth, and Allah is witness over everything.
إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق.
Verily those who put into trial the believing men and believing women, and then do not turn in repentance, then they will have the torment of hell. And they will have the punishment of the burning fire.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ذلك الفوز الكبير.
Verily those who believe and do righteous good deeds, for them will be gardens under which rivers flow. That is the great success.
إن بطش ربك لشديد.
Verily the seizure of your Lord is severe and painful.
إنه هو يبدئ ويعيد.
Verily He it is who begins punishment and repeats punishment.
وهو الغفور الودود.
And He is oft forgiving, full of love.
ذو العرش المجيد.
Owner of the throne, the glorious.
فعال لما يريد.
He is the doer of whatsoever He wills.
هل أتاك حديث الجنود.
Has the story reached you of the hosts?
فرعون وثمود.
Of Fir'aun and Thamud.
بل الذين كفروا في تكذيب.
Nay, the disbelievers persisted in denying.
والله من ورائهم محيط.
And Allah encompasses them from behind.
بل هو قرآن مجيد.
Nay, this is a glorious Quran.
في لوح محفوظ.
Inscribed in the preserved tablet.